All right, this video we got some more stuff from Mick Tuning. Their C4 RGBW LED rock lights. So let's get into it. All right, first I'm just going to hold the box up and show you it. Let's see. I'll show you this side first because this is the upside down part. I did not pay for these. Mick Tuning sent these to me to do a install and review video. Then we got they're also blue, and in fact here's all the different colors. And I guess here's the specs. Of course, if you need to see it any longer, just pause the video. So let me get this box open and show you a little better. All right, I'm going to try an overhead look of this unboxing. So let's get into it. There is the app instructions. I don't really know what that is. I guess you can control this from your phone. That's cool. So I have to check that out in a minute. And we got some more cool Mick Tuning stickers. About said speakers. Here we go. That's a cool looking sticker. That one. That one. That one there is pretty cool too. There's that one. And there's that one. And of course you have a bunch of little ones. That's pretty neat. And then you have your user manual on it. Tells you all about it. So let me set this stickers and about said speakers again. God darn it. Everything off to the side. Now here is, I don't know. Oh boy, look at that. Put that back in there. That is a lot of wires. So let me get this undone and come back and show you. All the hardware to mount these lights. It even comes with a little Allen wrench because these are hex head. As you can see, it has 2 holes each side. Per light, there's 8 of them. 4 up there, 4 here. Comes with a box over here. I think that's the Bluetooth box because it works off your phone. Now, the power wires I am going to hook to my switch panel so I can turn it off and on that way. But you can also turn it off and on with your phone too, so I don't know if it really matters. But here's some little rubber pads. Comes with 8 of them. I'm not going to take them out of the package yet until I install it on the truck, but they go under the lights. Okay? So, you're wanting to know, well, right this minute I got them powered from my mower. I had this hooked up, but this thing keeps cutting off every few seconds, and I don't know, I guess it was pulsing power to it. I don't know, because the switch, there's a switch on here. It kept flashing, and it don't flash when it's hooked to just a regular battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to flip the switch off and see if it will come on. and they don't. So let's flip the switch back on. Switch is on. There they go. Them suckers are bright. I don't know if you can see. That's green. I don't know why it's stuck on green, because it's, or yellow. Maybe that's supposed to be yellow. All right, there we go. I don't know what happened, but got it working now. That's red. That is super bright. As you can see, you can change the colors just by touching this wheel. See? Blue. I don't know what all the different colors are. That's pretty cool, huh? Or you can have it switching through them. Like, that's kind of like fading through. That's jumping through them, I guess. And that's just switching. So that's pretty cool, huh? That is going to look, it's going to be a real pain in the you know what to mount all this in my truck, but we're going to get to it and do an install video. This was just an unboxing of the stuff and show you how everything works. Now let me look through this here app and see if there's anything else it'll do, and I'll come back. All right, this is pretty cool. It's got a little line right here. You can pull it, you can adjust it. That's pretty neat. And there's, I guess that's the brightness. Turn it all the way up. Yep, that's the brightness. And that's the speed. That's pretty cool. You can adjust it to flash through ever how fast you want it to, or jump. And it'll go to each different color when it's on this one, and flash, or you don't have to have them flash. Let's go back to where they fade. I like that one. That ain't bad. And of course, to turn the lights off, you just hit that button and it turns them off. Now that switch over there, I don't know if it's supposed to stay on all the time or what the deal is with that, or only when you're wanting to use the rock lights. I don't know. Got to do some more reading on that. So let me check this out a little bit more and see what else it has. Okay, it had some buttons down here that had pluses on them. I hit them. I set this one to just white, and then I set this one red, blue, green, yellow, and then I set this one red, orange, yellow, green, blue. That's pretty cool. And of course you can speed everything up, make them flash. I don't want to make them flash too much because, you know, if they flash, that could be bad for some people watching. These are awesome. All right, that's the little unboxing video of these MIG tuning. Rock lights. Now obviously I'm going to do a video of installing them as soon as I get a day that it's not raining or 110 outside. When I install them, I don't know if I'm going to show taking the wheel liners out of my truck and drilling the holes and all that. I mean, everybody knows how to drill a hole, right? And use screws to mount a light. I don't think you really need to see that, but I'll show after I get them installed, and then I'll show some footage of it, you know, on the truck with them lit up and going through the different settings of it. And I'll also try to get some footage of it at night. So you'll see how it looks and how bright it is at night. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one.